So in this video, we will talk about we will explore the endpoints provided by Spring Boot. So now we will, so in the last video, we saw that, we had explored, we started the server and it has exposed these two endpoints under the path slash actuator. So why does only two endpoints were exposed and how do we expose more endpoints? That is what we are going to look in this video, and we will also explore what are the different endpoints in this video. So I will add one property here in the properties file, and after that we will restart the server, and then we will see what happens next. So I will add the property here. Is the property name is management.endpoints.web.exposure.include star. So I have added this property in the application.properties, and after that I will start the server again, and let's see how many endpoints get exposed now. So we see here there are 13 endpoints which got exposed under the path actuator. So we saw that 13 endpoints have been exposed, and the property which we added is management.endpoints.web.exposure.include. So which made us to export 13 endpoints earlier, which was 2. So let's begin the exploring what are the endpoints. So the first endpoint will be the simple slash actuator. So we'll write here http localhost 8090 slash actuator. So we just wrote Actuator and then hit the send button here. And now there is a big list. What are the different endpoints which are available for us? We see this conditions, info, health, config properties, env, loggers, heap dump, and all those things. Now, you see there are a lot of caches, health, path, and all those things are there. So there are a lot of endpoints. We saw there are 13 endpoints which are there. Now we will explore one by one. So now we will go to the info. So first we'll see the health one, and then send, and we saw the status up, which we saw it earlier as well. So that got it in the JSON format here, status up, and this is the same JSON format which we talked earlier about. Now we will close this tab, and now see the info one. Press send. So this is empty. So in our next videos, we will see how do we add more information in this info and what is the purpose of this info. So let's see now. The next one is env, and press send button, and then you see the properties, like whatever the properties we had server.port which we have written, and it is also exposed the JVM properties, system properties, and a lot of sensitive properties have been exposed here. So if you see this, the management port and all those things, while encoding everything about operating system and the username and whatever is possible there, whatever is about the drive, my home drive, everything has been exposed in this env endpoint. That's a very critical information has been exposed in this env endpoint. So now we'll close this tab as well, and let's go to another endpoint, which will be logger. Send here. So all the information about the logging which we have has come here. So which class is using which logger is that has been exposed here. So all that information we got here. all that information got. So just we'll close it here and again come back to this, come back to explore some one new one. Is so we will see the metrics one, metrics. So if you see the metrics one here, then we have to reopen it. Metrics here. Okay. Now press the send button and see. So we got a lot of things here. So we got a lot of details about the memory here. So this matrices give a lot of details about the memory. So what is the GB memory, what is the system CPU usage, count, and all those things. So there is a way to see more information in this endpoint. So we need to add some more information in this URL, so actuator and trace. So if you see this, we will add one more information into this. So let's suppose we want to see the JVM max memory max. So what we will paste here, so we will need to paste it here and then see this difference. So it gives a brief description and all those available tags. So the value is 4. So if you see this exponential line, so this is stands for 4 GB. So we have 4 GB of memory here. The available tags are different area and all those things. So we get information about the area of the memory part. So if you write, we need to write this as area as heap and non-heap. So we are looking for heap now. Let's check the value for heap. It's sent and we got some value here. So this value, so earlier it was 4 GB, here it is now 3 GB for heap. And there is some more we can explore here. Here is putting some ID here. Tag equals to ID equals to hidden space. So let's put this name here. Send. We got the value as for the hidden space. The value is 1 GB here. So that's how we explore the matrices one. So we need to provide it like this to get the lot of details here. Again, we go back to the matrix one and see the process start time here. Put the process start time here. Send. We got the value as we got this value. So the second start time of the process is above. So this is the time when the process started. So this way we got the start time of process of the Java start time of server, and we got the explore server request as well. So we can paste here, copy here, HTTP server request. So this gives the number of HTTP requests and the total time it took to serve all the requests, and there are a lot of other things. What are the different URLs which we explored? So all this we explored. So this is all the information related to our HTTP request. See this URI and everything. This. So all these things are explored here. Now we will go to the thread dump. Let's check the thread dump. Send here. And we got a lot of details about the thread dump. So it has given, so you can just Google it down what is the thread dump, and it's not that easy to get it here there. So now we'll see the word mapping. So this says which endpoint is mapped to which resource. So this has all the details. So thank you for watching this video, and so in the next video we will talk about some securing. So in this video you saw that we explored a lot of endpoints, and we saw there are a lot of sensitive information which Actuator has exposed about the project. So it is essentially very It is very essential for a project to protect those information, and it should be accessible only to the authorized person. So in the next video, we will talk about how can we secure all those endpoints with proper security. Thank you.